The Landmine Shoulder Press is a good beginner upward pressing exercise. If you don't yet have the mobility in your shoulder to be able to have your arms next to your ears to finish your shoulder press with your arms straight above your body. So in the beginning, we have some ridges on the mat. So there's some pretty good friction where the barbell won't roll around. So let's bring it back 1 second. So when we're picking it up, back is straight, right? Core is nice and strong and engaged. We're picking it up with both hands. And then we're bringing it up to our shoulder with one side. So feet is nice and stable, legs are nice and strong, and you are slightly leaning into the bar, leaning forward ever so slightly. And the bar is maybe right in front or a little bit outside of your shoulder. And as you can see, we are finishing with our arms in front of our body. So this helps us avoid this overhead position if you have limitations in your mobility. So this gives us an upward pressing motion without having to force that overhead position for the arms. You can switch it over, make sure your feet is lined up so the bar is slightly to the side that you're working on. Just pressing straight forward, locking out the elbows and controlling it on the way back. As you set it back down, make sure your back is straight, and that's the finished position. So a variation to the Landmine shoulder press is having our feet in a staggered or split stance. This could feel a little more secure for some people. So it's kind of like the almost like a lunge position. So one foot is forward, one foot is back. So there's a time and place for specific requirements on how to place your feet, but as beginners, we can go with what feels actually more stable and safe and comfortable, as long as it fits within the standards of the movement. So what we can do as a way to stabilize or as a way to keep the bar from slipping forward if you have a slick surface is, for us, we put this could be a 35 or 45 pound bumper plate, and we're resting it in the slot right there. So when you start pressing it and the weight starts getting heavier, it'll stay in that little slot. So that is the Landmine shoulder press for beginners.